Are you?
Get in, Simone! Woo! Kyle, you're next!
No.
Yes!
No.
My shoe fell off, but that's alright. Come on! Hello, Kitty baby, look for the picture!
Say hi to Caitlin.
Say hello, Caitlin!
Wait. Bring her over here. I'll get her
Oh shit.
in. Did you break that?
She broke it!
No.
Come here. Come here, Casey. Come here. It's okay, baby doll. It's okay.
Did I get on your shorts?
I can't grab it.
This is our special limited time offer.
Come here.
Aww.
It's okay. She went head first.
How can you swim as good as Simone does?
She can swim. Come here. Get up out here. Over this way.
Come here!
Okay. She can swim.
Yeah, but not for very long.
Dude, it's okay. Hey.
Oh, she's so scared.
It's okay. Gotcha.
It's okay, baby. You okay?
Go over there. Go over to the step.
Can we put that
Go
up
over to the
there?
step.
I'm right here. Huh?
Swim.
Come here, baby!
She can swim. Oh, get her. Oh, okay, that's enough for her. Here.
She's scared. Okay, it's okay so far. No, I think it broke. All into like big pieces.
Don't let her go in the house. Dude, she can barely like stand up.
Nice, Kyle.
No, don't let her go in the house.
No.
Nicolina, shut the door. Pull the slider. It's really hard.
It's okay, Casey. Good girl. Dude, she sank quick.
I told you, and you fucking didn't believe me. Okay, Shanae.
She doesn't have the leg strength. Kyle was sitting on your phone.
Tahoe Dave. Who is this? What? Who is this? That's what I'm gonna put. What? I'm waiting for the swim off.
Well, I certainly am not going to be